So, to be honest, I had a really hard time doing this jigsaw because I don't know why. I thought it wasn't that hard when I bought it. Here's the box again. But it was, actually. Maybe you can see it in the video, but I was really struggling where to start with it. At a certain point it clicked and I just could do the rest, but it was a bit hard just finding the start for me. I don't know why, but this jigsaw gave me a really hard time. So if you want to watch my hard time, just go ahead.